Hello, myself Sunil R. Here basically we are talking about one topic, that is earthquake. In earthquake, currencies, and in currencies, ideas. In ideas, basically this track idea basically. So he told that basically that is basically we can't do the experiment in Earth planet here basically, because entire Earth planet is created basically. Now basically you can't do the experiment basically. If you want to verify, you can verify the from the Mars basically, or basically do one thing. If you want to create basically some experiment basically, that but the data basically if you have to take from the other planets basically, from that if you just want to verify basically the track is basically not, or the trend basically is not running on the base of this basically, that you have already checked basically it was not moving. Then he told that yes, here it was not moving. Then basically he told that basically let me connect to the space department, NASA, ISRO, and let me hire some planets basically energy, and let me hire some satellites group basically. Then basically he was basically rich person basically, and he want to become the richest person in the world basically. So he basically was ready to take any type of risk basically, risk and money spending also. Then he told that basically let me try this. Then basically literally he hired some 1,000 2,000 planets basically. First he basically hired some 100 planets, assume that basically. So basically that on the base of that power basically he was basically getting the some speed basically. But after certain level of speed basically, the train was basically getting down basically in the left side or right side basically. Down means it was getting fall basically. The train was falling basically from the track basically. It was going out from the track basically. Reason, that speed basically the 100 planet was not able to control. Then basically that he told that basically let me increase 100 planets to 300 planets. He directly increased 200 planets. Then basically again he increased the speed. Again basically the speed basically got increased. But he reached to certain speed basically. That time basically the train basically got down basically. That basically got out from the track basically. Then basically again he increased the planet. Then again he connected to the 1,000 planet and basically sent the data. And then basically again he connected with the train basically. And then basically he told that yes basically now basically it's running perfectly basically, whatever speed basically which was required by me basically. Then he told that yes, yeah basically Sunil was telling correct here basically. Then that richest person actually created few buildings in Mars also basically. He was telling correct here basically. Sunil R Nair was telling correct. This way only basically the railway track basically is working. So he basically told that basically let me stay basically 15 days in Mars, and let me stay 15 days in Earth planet. Stay in Earth planet. Like this basically he told that basically yes, yeah basically. Let me watch Sunil R Nair's video few more basically. Let me watch each and every video basically. The fact about the government, and fact about the NASA, ISRO, and fact about the software companies basically. Fact about the Mumbai software company basically. Up to what level information each and every people have basically. Then few people told that basically software company basically are doing their stuff basically on the base of retail customer. They basically don't have the customer like basically NASA and ISRO basically, who will ask the data. They are basically handling their data. Each and every planets basically, that 120 planets basically was there. That basically they was having basically like this basically. They given the data basically. That also physical verification also basically the richest person basically done. Done. Like this basically he told that okay let me basically check few more things also basically. So slowly basically he started creating Mars, and after 15 days basically he stayed there for 1 month. Then the duration basically got increased. Then basically stay for 2 months. Then like this slowly basically uh, the duration basically got increased. Then the government was actually literally told that basically, yeah, should we also start shifting to the Mars or what? Then they also basically, the government also basically started shifting to the Mars basically. Mars planet. Assume that that is currently moving in the right side of me basically, where I am sitting basically. Just assume basically, really basically Mars is not moving right side of me. Just taking as an example basically. Just taking as an example basically. It's not really moving in the right side of me basically, where currently I am sitting. Then that basically richest person basically like the Mars planet, yeah, basically. He literally basically starts staying there. He literally staying there basically. Because he liked the Mars planet basically. Then basically he taken the control of each and every object basically in the Mars basically. But here basically he was not able to. Because few people basically have created, they told that basically, sorry, we can't give the information. We can't give you the control basically. So he basically literally, he basically got ego basically. I want the control here basically of each and every objects of the Mumbai city basically from the universe. I want to see each and everything practically. Like this basically he taken the control of lots of object basically which was created in front of him only basically. In front of him basically lots of things basically got created. Few tracks got created in Mars planet. Each and everything basically verified also basically. And he literally basically was having the control of each and every planets also basically, which was created, which was actually taken by as a rent basically. 1,000 planet basically was handling that entire track basically. So he was basically happy basically. Reason Mumbai city basically has not given him the control basically of the universe, that basically we can't give you the control of the Mars planet basically. Sorry, of the control of the track basically, which is currently connected with that connected with the satellites, and basically satellites are taking from the data from the 120 planets. We can't give you the control like this basically. Just for your verification basically, entire Mumbai basically, Mumbai public basically can't get in trouble basically. 3,000 people basically are running in the train basically, are basically running in the train means they are basically inside the train basically. 3,000 people. If the control will be taken basically, then basically you just imagine basically what are the things going to happen. Sorry, we basically can't take the like this basically data to you basically. So he was ego person basically. He told that basically I will do this, and then basically taken the space in Mars, and like this basically he done the stuff basically. Then he basically, the government also told there, yeah, basically he has done the thing here basically. He basically challenged the government here basically. That means that in that Mars planet basically he was the government basically. So he will decide basically whom to stay and basically whom to not to stay basically. Then government basically was government. They basically contacted the space department and they told that basically, can you please change the direction of the planet basically. Then he told that okay basically, go to this direction. Then basically when the government told that basically, well, government actually asked him basically, can you give the control of this? Then he told that no, we can't give. Then after changing the direction, the all things basically which was created by that person basically, the richest person, that all basically got finished in the earthquake basically. Oh, each and every track also basically. Then government told that basically, just see basically what things basically happened basically. Then he told that basically government are literally government here basically. Then he told that basically literally governments are governments.